August 4th, and I'm in the MailChimp RSVP button demo series. I copied this code here from the Calendar Snack MailChimp copy button here. And how I got here was I went up the path here. At the top of the trailhead, I got a button here to the right. It was for MailChimp. I scrolled down, and in particular, I'm looking for Los Angeles data. And so when I go look at Los Angeles data here, it shows up in my picker. I copied it, I closed it, I stuffed it in here into these two links into the MailChimp template. I saved it and I sent it out. And so I've already done all that. And so here's what's going to happen with the template itself. This got sent to a gentleman by name of Zach at techvader.com. I'm going to click this here, take it on his persona. I'm going to click the calendar invite button that is loaded into the MailChimp demo template. And you can see that the Los Angeles Dodgers versus St. Louis Cardinals calendar invite has been sent. It's on its way. I'm going to go back to Zach's inbox and then look right here. Here's his calendar invite. I'm going to say yes. So that part I'm going to put away here. At least the MailChimp engine, and now we're on our own with the Calendar Snack engine. And so the Calendar Snack engine here collects data from these calendar receipts. How would you know that? Well, let me show you live. So we just picked up a calendar receipt for Dodgers versus Cardinals. It's for tonight, the 8-10 game, here Monday, August 4th. Let's get into the report engine. Let's drill into the upcoming reports here. And let's get into the fourth. And in the fourth bucket, you'll see that there's data here for this game. It came from a MailChimp call to action button, which we are tracking, and somebody accepted it. Now, this was Zach. Now, I can actually have this data sent to me via invited report under this organizer name here, Greg Hanshin at 31 Events. I'm not going to do that now because I'm going to play around with this button a bit and show you real time live. I just changed it being Zach's persona here, Zach at techvader.com. I'm going back over here to Greg Hanshin at 31 Events, who is running the console over here for the Calendar Snack engine, talking to AWS Calendar Invite server to build out these buttons. I'm going to refresh the screen here, and you're going to see what's happening. We actually collect the data as tentative. So that is step 5 in the process, and I'm going to go ahead and shut this down. Thanks.